the 8 signals to sell the top, my first ever course. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been part of this. You asked me to make a course months back ago, and I decided to make one that's specific to this time period, which is taking profits during this bull market cycle. I believe this is the best timing for this course to come out. And I'm happy that this bull market has been going slow. But what you can expect from this video is everything about this course, including the benefits and the promo code you'll know ahead of time, as well as how to buy it and everything like that. Okay, I'm going to break it down in this video, especially if in the future you're watching this too, and when I use another promo code in the future, you'll know ahead of time. Now, the way that I priced this course, I wanted to price a lot more, but I priced it lower just because it's my first ever course. But I will be, as time goes on, I will be putting the price up, and I mean like months from now. So take advantage of these couple months, especially the first 3 days with the promo code, and I'll reveal it in this video. But I put it in a really low price for the amount of what you get for the benefits. Okay, so I mean, just to start off, let's take a look here on WAP, which is the platform where I have my course. And the reason why I chose WAP is because it has TradingView integrated, which aligns with one of my benefits, which is you'll get access to all my TradingView indicators for 1 month. And it's so simple. You just put in your TradingView username, boom, you get all my indicators. You search them up. Even if you have TradingView free, which only allows 3 indicators, you'll get all my indicators with this. Okay. And WAP makes it very easy. So WAP is actually really cool because they have an app, so you can actually download the app on your phone, and you can actually look at my course and watch the videos for my course on your phone, or of course on your computer on wap.com. Okay, but this is how it will look when you guys click the link. By the way, the link will be in the pinned comment as well as in the description once it comes out, of course. But you'll see right here the 8 signals to sell the top, and here it'll show you what you'll get: the 8 signals to sell the top, the Sir Lewis cheat sheet, Fibonacci settings, which I go over inside the course, and the Sir Lewis indicators. And you can see that TradingView symbol right there, right? And what's awesome too is that with this, guys, if you refer people to my course, right, if they use a link right here, add to my affiliates dashboard, if you refer people to my course, you'll get 30%. I might put this up to 35%. So you get a reward for being an affiliate and basically sharing it. Okay. Now I'm gonna review the promo code here so you know ahead of time. But this is for the first 3 days. There's not like a certain amount for this promo code. It's only for the first 3 days, and it's gonna be 10% off. Okay, so you can see the course is $219. That's it. I wanted to put it a lot higher because I feel like I went all in this course. 3 hours worth of content. 3 hours. The Sir Lewis cheat sheet, my secret Fibonacci strategy with the settings, and all my indicators for a month. But of course, I wanted to put it a lower amount. And basically, you put it in your email, and there's multiple ways to pay. You can even pay with crypto, as you can see right there, which is pretty cool. So crypto, Amazon Pay, Cash App, of course, the credit card right there. You do all that, okay? And then you come right here, promo code. And the promo code is super easy. It's just SIR. Just SIR. I wanted to make it super easy. And the first thing that I thought was SIR. So just put SIR. It's not case sensitive either. So you could put capital, right? You could put capital, or you could just put all lowercase. So you just put all lowercase, click apply, and you get your 10% off, which will actually come down to $197. So honestly, I think you'll get a lot for this price for this course, because it's not just a course. There's a lot of bonuses within this course. My main goal with this course was to basically over deliver, because I want to give you guys the most amount of value, especially for you guys that have been with me, since the beginning. Since I started, I want to give you guys the most amount of value. And that's the price right there for the first 3 days, of course. But I will be, the base value for the course, I will be adding that up as, months from now, right? So I'll probably use a promo code that's specific, maybe like Christmas or something like that, but it's not going to be $197 by then, because the base price is going to be maybe $240 or something. You know what I mean? So you want to take advantage of this the first couple months. But that's the price right there. That's the promo code. Okay. Now I want to talk about, so basically right here, right, you just type in sir 219, I'll go to 197, learn, enjoy, and grow. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of content on here, and we can see right here the benefits. I want to talk about the benefits now because you'll be getting 3 hours plus content. I actually added it up the amount of hours, right? The amount of time, and it came to like 3 hours and a couple minutes or something like that. Like 3 hours, 20 minutes, 10 minutes. So it's a lot. It's a lot of content because it's 8 signals. And these 8 signals, I came up with 8 signals that basically are going to help you sell at the top. Because the main objective of this course is to help you as a crypto investor who's been investing in crypto, and maybe you have profits up just like me from the bear market. You want to make sure you secure those profits the best that you can. We're not perfect. We're not going to get the peaky top. Maybe one of you guys might, right, after watching my course. But if you get at least 10% from the top, right, near that range, that is a really, really good amount. Okay, because most people are exit liquidity that come in towards the end of the bull market and they don't really know what's happening. But this course, it's going to guide you with the 8 signals, and using Confluence, it's going to basically grow your intuition. And that's the key of this course. It's to grow your intuition, and it's a lifetime value for future bull markets. Okay, so you can take this course, and the next bull market, you'll have that same intuition. You'll remember my course, and you can even come back and retake it. The beautiful thing, the amazing thing about WAP is that you'll always be able to come back. Maybe you want to see signal 8 or signal 5. You can come back. Well, what I also like about WAP's platform, guys, is the fact that you have to take the course in order. Like, you can't skip over it. I put it like that because there's so many people out there with ADHD and just they're skipping over things, and they might skip over something extremely important. So you have to do it order by order by order, and you just gotta focus, okay? As you're listening to the course and everything. Okay, but yeah, the secret Fibonacci strategy guide, I go through this in one of the signals, but you will also get my Fibonacci, a screenshot of my Fibonacci settings, and you'll also get the Sir Lewis cheat sheet, which is another screenshot. Not a screenshot, but it's basically a PNG file or a JPEG file that you'll be able to download by clicking it. You download it within the WAP interface, which is really simple to use. And then, of course, in my opinion, I wanted to over deliver. So you have access to all the Sir Lewis indicators for at least a month, and I have 10 indicators. And if you want to a lot of people ask me, how do I use the indicators? I go through it in this course in one of the signals. So I basically explain each signal, each indicator in this course. So you learn how to use it. And then you can, experiment, try them out throughout the whole month. And maybe there's one that you really, really like. Well, then after that, you can join one of my tiers on WAP, which the lowest tier is $8. And you can choose any one indicator of your choice for $8 on the bronze tier. The silver tier is, 3 indicators plus some other things, 35, and then the gold tier is all my indicators and all future ones. But you can check that out in my WAP membership. But that's it, guys. Those are the benefits, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the course. Thank you if you do buy it. There'll be I'll let you guys know when the promo code is up. Of course, I'm gonna promote it for 3 days. I'm gonna be live streaming, and it's gonna be up for 3 days, the 17th, 18th, and 19th. And I just want to say thank you guys again. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Comment below if you guys got any questions. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.